I'm gonna do a quick video on what treatment to use if you're storing your generator or lawnmower, even your truck or car for a long period of time, 3 months or more. But what you want to do is buy some of this sta-bil fuel stabilizer for, it says storage. You get this, I got this at AutoZone, but it gives you the simple directions here on how to use it. Like you want the main thing, you want 1 ounce treats up to 2.5 gallons. So in this generator right now, I have about 2.5, maybe 3 gallons. So I'm gonna use 1 ounce of treatment. I'm also put some treatment here in my truck. I got about 5 gallons in here right now. This is my food truck. So I'm gonna put, so my generator, let's get started right here. What you want to do, just take your top off. Just punch a little hole in that. I'm just recording this, doing it with one hand. And I had 2.5 gallons, so about 3 gallons. So you could turn it around. This is in milliliters. Over on this side is ounces. So I want 2 ounces, so I'm gonna squeeze it until it gets to 2 ounces. That's ½ ounce, or that's 1. So I'm gonna go, that's 1 ounce. So I'm gonna take 2 of these and pour them in there. So you just pour it in there. That's 1 ounce. Okay, I'm gonna get another ounce. Just squeeze it until it gets to the ounce. Okay, 2 ounces. Just pour it in there. That's real simple. Just squeeze it to the ounces you want, and you put it in there and you store your vehicle. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.